Are you worried about someone snooping through your Gmail? Locking Gmail app on iPhone can keep your emails safe and ensure your privacy. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to lock the Gmail app. Way 1. Lock Gmail app with password using Cisdem AppCrypt. Way 2. Lock Gmail on iPhone with Face ID. This is a built-in way for iOS 18 or later. Now, let's see detailed steps of the first way, using AppCrypt, the best website blocker for iPhone. First, download this Gmail locker from the App Store. Open it. Click Start. Click Continue. Allow with Face ID. Then click Done. Now you are in the main window. To lock Gmail app on iPhone, go to the App Lock tab. Click the Add or Remove button at the bottom. Then search for Gmail app from the application list. Select it. Now the Gmail app is added to the lock list. Click the Schedule tab. Enable the Schedule feature. Here you can set the time to lock Gmail app at certain times, or directly let it be locked permanently. Now Gmail is successfully locked on your iPhone. If you want to lock Gmail app on iPhone with password, which can prevent others from viewing your emails, it can also lock AppCrypt itself with password to prevent others from changing your settings. Go back to the app, click Preferences. Click Notifications. Turn on notification. Then set a pin in the pop-up window. Now Gmail app is locked with password on your iPhone. Users of this iPhone should enter the password to access it. Every time you want to access this Gmail locker app, need to enter the password too. This tool offers some other useful feature. For example, it allows you to deny app removal. This can prevent others from bypassing the blocking by uninstall this app. You can set the auto lock time to let it automatically relock after a period of inactive time. It also lets you block websites on iPhone. Another way to lock Gmail app on iPhone is using the new feature in iOS 18. It allows you to lock any applications on iPhone with your Face ID. Find the Gmail app, long press on it. Select Require Face ID. Allow it to scan your Face ID. Then Gmail app is locked. It's easy. These are 2 easy ways on how to lock Gmail app on iPhone. The second method is easy but only works on iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Cisdem AppCrypt is a good choice. I have put its free download link in the description section below this video. Thanks for your watching.